Linge Hamsa, Dungi Lamne Inji Jontap Shebe, Letsin Sumbadina Latri, Lingi Layangang, Dunjung Shahi, and Tarinki Don de Ming de Lea, Lazy John Segure, Lazy Sedu Sambala Nyoptoda, John Sedu Sambalea, Pugi Mingre, Sonza, John Nyopto, Segure Twindo, and Shamlange, Don de Malo Chelingelea, Rich Shmushui. There was a boy named John who was so lazy he couldn't even bother to change his clothes. There was a boy Ladusamalea Dusta Ima Pushores named John Sedusamalea Krangiminglia John Race who were so lazy Sedusamalea Kranyobdo Shushores so lazy Sedusamalea Nyobdo Hajangi Nyobdo. He couldn't even bother to change his clothes. Susugi Tulu, dus the Jolorele, dus Kugi, Nyomna Chagres. He couldn't even bother to change his clothes, change Lanik dus Jolobda, his clothes Lana Krangi Tulos, Tundu, Susugi Tulu Gabla, Jo Gabriale ko, Nyomna Shushke ores. One day he saw that the apple tree in their yard was full of fruits. He wanted to eat some apples, but he was too lazy to climb the tree and take the fruits. One day, he saw that the tree, apple tree in their yard in crown sugi apple lam kushugi dombush tus tomberes and kushu dombu the candice yorelana was full of fruits to sambalea kush dombu de khan leya any fruits to samla shingdora full la du sambala dus mangushush khan de botundo shingdong gan leya shingdo mangushush yeba kran ki tomberes. He wanted to eat some apple kran apple kashi shukran dus sangi tores. He wanted lana to eat some apple. But he was too lazy. He was too lazy to do some nyobdo shoes cheche. Any nyobdo shoes shindu some laniko nyomnanki ores. Karila nyomnanki orelana to climb the tree. Shingdong ganglaya zayalaya nyomnanki ores. To climb lanaya zebada to tree legisimla shingdon sura and take the fruit. Shingdon ganglaya zaje ani take the fruit sidisimlea shingdo dus lambalea khanda ko nyomna shushke ores. Twindu krang ki shingdo de dus apple lam kushu de magoche dus leale nyomna shushke ores. So he lay down underneath the tree and waited for the fruits to fall off. John waited and waited until he was very hungry, but the apple never fell. So he sedusamalaya sonzans he lana korwa tanda John sure lay down lana dus manyebres kawanyebre lana underneath walas the trees do some shingdons turned to shingdon walas and waited shingdon wala niche to scrang good abres karila good abres shubina for the fruits shingdo chedos fruit de kandista krang good ora kandis go brelana fall off shingdon de kane dus ta shingdo ma sagri sam chukran dus ma good abres. John waited and waited. John and dus good abres, and Mutune dus good abres, until he was very hungry. And Kra Togomado Pado dus good abres, until he was very hungry, dus very hungry lana, and Hajangi Toto Basra, until Sedis Malaya Pardo, Tundo, Kra Togomado Pado dusta, Hajangi Tomado Pado, and dus good abres. But the apple never fell. Hineles. The apple shingdo kaduineles never fell laduna ladusamalaya shingdo dus kaduya ma sayo maris tundu kuran shingdo wala dus shingdo ma sagris samchigu derde hinele shingdo gane shingdo kage ma sayo maris ore. Moral of the story. Moral Sidusamalaya Labja da of the story Sidusamalaya Dundegis Tundu Dundegi Labja. Laziness can get you nowhere. If you want something, you need to work hard for it. Laziness can get you nowhere. Sidusamalaya Kiran Yubdu Chabarina in Kiran Kawa in a Lingmares. If you want something, Skizikira Susugijik. Deba yabana kiran laji gungi thogi yuna ani kiran susu ngoyne you need to work hard for it. Kiran ngoyne delaya beje nangure sigore lase tharing kiane don de du sobe.